The wife has now been charged in connection to a criminal sexual conduct case involving her husband. This in from our news partner, the Northern Light Region newspaper in Baudette. Mary Ellen Rio, 60, of Baudette, has been charged with 2 counts of neglect or endangerment of a child, 1 a felony and 1 a gross misdemeanor, for her alleged part in a criminal sexual conduct case involving her husband and a juvenile. Last November, Carrie Rio, 68, was arrested on 2 counts of criminal sexual conduct in the first degree following statements made by a juvenile indicating Rio had perpetrated sexual acts on the child on at least 2 occasions in October of 2020. The criminal complaint against Carrie Rio states that the victim told investigator Craig Severs that Rio's wife was aware of both incidents but had not reported them to law enforcement or the victim's parents. During an interview with an investigator Severs in November, Mary Rio indicated that more than a month prior to the October incident, she had walked in on her husband performing sexual acts on the victim at their home. At that time, she said Rio promised it would not happen again. Mary Rio indicated in the interview with Severs that, despite the prior incident, she had left her husband and victim alone for approximately 1 hour on October 17th. The victim told Mary Rio later that evening that Carrie Rio had touched the victim in a sexual manner while the two were alone. The complaint states that Rio said she knew this was true because of the instance she had witnessed a month earlier. In the complaint, Mary Rio told investigator Severs that she did not know how to tell the victim's parents about either occasion, but that she had told the victim if the parents ever asked to tell them the truth. In addition, Mary Rio told Severs that she could not pick the victim over her spouse. Mary Rio will make her first court appearance on February 3rd in Lake of the Woods County District Court. Carrie Rio remains in the Lake of the Woods County Jail. A contested omnibus hearing was scheduled for February 3rd. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for PageOnePublications.com.